Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a basic omelet. My husband does not know how to make omelets, and this is for him so that he can now know how to make a basic omelet. So let's get started. All right, friends, so all you're going to need is some fresh eggs. Go ahead and crack 2 fresh eggs into your pan and discard your shells. All right, go ahead and mix this up. Add in some salt and pepper. Give it another good mix. And meet me over here at the stove. All right, friends, so you're gonna get your pan nice and hot. Once your pan is hot, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of butter to your hot pan. You wanna make sure you completely coat your pan with your butter. Now that it's completely hot and the butter has melted all around your pan, go ahead and add your eggs. Swish the eggs around the pan to completely coat your pan and go ahead and place a lid on top. That is going to cook your eggs from the top and the bottom at the same time. As it's cooking, go ahead and move around the eggs so they get to the other sides that are cooking faster. Go ahead and flip your omelet. There we go. Now go ahead and add your cheese and desired toppings to half of the side of your omelet. We have some leftover ham, so I'm going to go ahead and put the ham in there. But you can add whatever you like. Then flip it over, and there you have a basic omelet. Now you can dress this up any way that you want. An omelet is perfect to have any kind of meats, vegetables, cheese, or just plain eggs. However you want it, you can do what you want with it. But this is our favorite way of having a basic omelet. We definitely love putting some bell peppers in here, but we don't have any bell peppers right now. So I use what I have, which is some ham. So good. Definitely got to give it a try. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.